Haha. What did I want to say? I don't know. Ah, yeah, okay. Are we ready to crumble? Hi everyone, welcome back to Tereza's Choice Kitchen. Today we're baking a vanilla cake. And it's not your typical complicated cake. This one is so simple that even a kid can do it with supervision, of course. And we're using white spelt flour, and I'm going to add some almond butter to the mix that you can change with peanut butter as well, or just skip it if you don't want to add it. And we're gonna top it with some beautiful mascarpone frosting. If you wanna keep it vegan, then just skip the mascarpone and add coconut yogurt. Let's get started. For the simple vegan vanilla cake, add 240 grams of white spelt flour into a bowl. Add 200 grams of coconut or white sugar, 1 teaspoon baking soda and a pinch of salt. Combine it all together. Add your liquid ingredients. 200 milliliters plant-based milk mixed with 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and 80 milliliters coconut or olive oil. Lastly, add 1 tablespoon of almond or peanut butter. Mix and pour into a 9-inch or a 22 centimeter cake tin. Bake for 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Cool completely and frost with mascarpone frosting, cream cheese, or coconut yogurt. Add seasonal berries, pistachios, and mint leaves. Guys, this was such a delight to bake because it's such an easy cake. We can get so creative with the toppings. Let me try it. Perfectly moist, gooey, sweet, just how I like it. Yum.